The food baozi, also being called steamed bun or dumplings, is a traditional Chinese food. And in Chinese culture, baozi also have a great meaning. As you can see, when you make the baozi, the steam only goes up. That means in the new year, your life is also going up from here like the steam. I'm Christine and my Etsy shop is Big Fan Art Studio. We make unique food and nature inspired cute candles. In Big Fan Art Studio, we believe all candles should have their own characteristics, and we hope to give our customers a wow effect when they open the box. So from everyone here at Big Fan Art Studio, I hope everyone a happy Chinese New Year.